How to Write a Life Coach Bio, Tips and Samples. If you're a life coach, you understand the importance of a balanced life. As part of your practice, it's important to share your philosophies and best strategies with clients. If you're wanting to attract clients to begin working with you, it's essential you share these philosophies in a professional bio. Let's break down a sample life coach bio. As founder and CEO of Winning Dreams LLC, love and life purpose coach Candice has always believed that all healing takes place on a holistic level. This philosophy was something that came to Candice innately. As a successful theta healing therapist since 2005, Candice knew she was on the right path and wanted to complete her studies to help guide others dealing with many of today's issues. With that intention in her heart, she attended California Coast University in Santa Ana and earned a bachelor's degree in psychology. Candice is enrolled in a master's program in spiritual psychology at the University of Santa Monica. Here we are introduced to the life coach and provided a brief outline of her credentials. This life coach bio takes the place of a meet and greet and provides credibility. In this next section of the sample life coach bio, the reader will understand the essence of this life coach and what she has to offer. Unlocking her clients' dreams is Candice's niche, simply because most lack introspection, and in turn, their dreams are locked up or non-existent. Candice credits her work as a theta healing therapist for the firm conviction that healing happens from the inside out. Now, in this last section of the sample life coach bio, we learn about current projects and some personal information about the life coach that gives us a glimpse into who they are as a person. By now, the reader is either interested in meeting them or not. Candice is one of the featured coaches on a new app called Love Your Life, a 21-day audio program helping individuals with their relationships. She is also currently writing an online course called How to Manifest. Candice is happily married to her soulmate. They have a son, a dog, and a cat and reside in San Jose, California. Candice enjoys yoga, writing, hiking, and spending time with her family. Here are some tips for writing a winning life coach bio. Share background and expertise in the field. Mention any life experience that brings another dimension to your practice. Share best techniques and strategies, and add personal info such as family and hobbies. If you'd like help with your life coach bio, visit WeWriteBios.com for more information about our life coach bio writing services.